Imagine creating your own peaceful escape into nature with just watercolor paper and a brush. I'm Lucy, and I believe watercolor can be more than just art. It can be a gentle pause in your busy day, a moment to breathe, and a way to reconnect with beauty around you. That's why I have created a free beginner-friendly watercolor landscape course to guide you step by step through painting 5 calming scenes. From a foggy mountain with a quiet lake to the graceful willow tree at Lake Taupo, a majestic snowy peak, a peaceful green field with a flowing stream, and even a charming farmhouse inspired by my travel in New Zealand. Whether you have never painted before or you are already an art lover, each lesson will help you find joy in simple brushstrokes and create artwork you will be proud to hang on your wall or share with friends. The course is completely free, and I'd love for you to join with me. Sign up using the link in the description, and in just a few days, you will get the full course delivered straight to your inbox. Let's pick up a brush and escape into nature together.